common question we get in domestic violence cases is, can my ex drop the charges against me? We got into a fight. We know that we were being too loud. We know that there may have been some touching back and forth. I have since been charged with assault. I've been charged with disorderly conduct or any number of other charges. But since I've been arrested, my ex and I have been talking, and now we want to reconcile. She doesn't want to press charges against me. She wants to drop all the charges because she realized that when she called the police, she did so out of anger or frustration, but now she realizes she doesn't really want this to happen either. So can she drop the charges? The answer, unfortunately, is no. The government just won't allow that to happen. So no, your ex cannot unilaterally drop the charges against you. That means your ex can't go to the prosecutor, go to the judge and say, I'm not pressing charges. I want all of these charges dismissed. The government's just going to turn around and say, thanks for your input. We've decided there's enough probable cause there to move forward with the case, and we're going to continue the prosecution. Why do they do that? Well, they don't want people to be recanting. They don't want to incentivize people to call the police to break up a situation, have them claim something happened, and then have them come back and say something didn't happen. So if A said that B did something and they want to move forward and at the time of the arrest press charges and claim all of these things happen, they don't want B to now exert some undue influence on A to get A to drop these charges. They don't want to allow that to happen. So if they take A out of the equation, they take the power of A to have any decision making as to whether charges are filed or not, then B doesn't have anything upon which B can act in order to cause that to happen. So that's not going to happen. If you are in a relationship or you're reconciling or you want to get back with somebody and you ask them, I need you to drop the charges, they can't do that unilaterally. Now, there are ways that this can continue to evolve where the government, without this person's participation, is not going to have a strong case. It happens a lot in domestic violence cases where the government's only witness, the key witness, is this person here. So if this person doesn't want to cooperate with the government, if this person doesn't want to testify against B, if this person's not going to be around or available throughout the prosecution on their own accord, then B may not have anybody who can testify against him or her or whoever that person is. We can't have, there's not going to be any other evidence. There's no other witnesses. There's no other testimony. Nobody's going to come into court. And so even though A can't voluntarily go in and say, I'm going to drop these charges or ask the prosecutor to drop these charges, by A not participating in the remainder of the case, that just may cause the government to have no choice but to dismiss the case. It's a little bit more complicated than that. There's rules of admissibility. There's some things that B may have made admissions to. There may be other statements that were made throughout the event, whenever that happened. So you want to make sure that you're not just kind of basing your entire defense on that happening, on A not being involved or A not showing up to trial or any of those things. But generally, A does not have the ability to just drop charges. A can talk to the prosecutor. A can talk to the person who's assigned to prosecuting B and explain their side of the story and explain what happened and why they don't think that charge should go forward against B. But generally, a prosecutor is just going to turn around and say, look, this happened. We have the police who felt it was justified to charge B and make the arrest. We're going to continue moving forward with this case. It's public policy by prosecutors to move forward on that for a number of different reasons, some of which I covered in this video. So the long and short answer is no. Your ex cannot drop the charges against you. So if you're intending on reconciling with that person just to get that to happen, may not be the wisest decision. Leave that up for you to decide. If you have questions about domestic violence cases and your relationship with your ex and whether or not they may be willing to help in your case or not help in your case, and you want to strategize about how this all works, give our office a call. We offer free case evaluations. We're happy to sit down with you and speak with you. Thanks for watching.